is Eliana Roque from Bexar County, and I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Today I'm going to be using a countertop mixer, which is an electrical device that blends or mixes substances or ingredients, especially by mechanical agitation. A countertop mixer is useful in many ways. You can use it to bake, blend, mix, etc. And this helps because it goes much faster and it's much more efficient than a normal mixing bowl. So to keep yourself safe while using a countertop mixer, one main thing is to not put your hand in here while it's on and not to turn it all the way up to 10 unless you really need to. And for this part, this is important, make sure it's not unlocked whenever you're blending because it could be dangerous. Make sure it's locked while you're using it. And when you're lifting it, make sure that you're careful because it's really heavy and you could hurt yourself. Something you may not have known about KitchenAid mixers or stand mixers, the first stand mixer was worth $2,800 to $3,000, and that was the price for it, and now they are much more affordable. So the recipe I'm going to be doing today is an organic avocado oil mayo, and this is different from store-bought mayo because it's made from scratch and it's much more organic. So first I'm going to be putting in my 4 egg yolks, which are from a local farm. Now I'm going to add my avocado oil in. You're normally supposed to do this for 4 minutes, but I'm adding it very slowly. Next, I'm going to add my Himalayan pink salt. It is grinded, so I can put it into my mixer slowly. Now I'm going to add in my mustard.